Sometimes one says more than them all. If even this is true, imagine everything else that's science. Some names even start with a noun that adds science. Choose an extreme example to emphasize your point. If even that is true, everything else must be too. 電車の切符の買い方さえわかりませんでした。 I didn't even know how to buy a train ticket. 日本のコンビニは食べ物だけじゃなく靴さえ買えます。 Japanese convenience stores don't just sell food, they even sell shoes. Even in science, strong emphasis, it can show surprise, amazement, or disbelief. If another particle comes first, I touch psi after it like this psi, ni psi, ortho psi. When God marks the subject, replace it with psi. Toiletの中でさえ本を読んでいます。 He even reads in the bathroom. 子供さ